Hello friends, I am Sonali. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate how we can print Armstrong number using C programming language. Now coming to the program. Here I will implement code in C which will print Armstrong number. In this video we'll talk about Armstrong number. First I will tell what is meant by Armstrong number. Let us take number 153. Now I will isolate these three numbers as 1, 5, 3. Then I will take cube of these three numbers, that is cube of 1 into 1 into 1 plus 5 into 5 into 5 plus 3 into 3 into 3. Then I will perform addition of all cubes. 1 cube is 1 plus 5 cube is 125 plus 3 cube is 27. Now if I will get value of addition as same as our given number, that is 153. Then that number is called as Armstrong number, otherwise no. So first I am including header file hash include standard input output .h. Then I am declaring main function including integer number is equal to 153. I am taking number 153. Then temp is equal to number is 153 assigned to the variable temp. Then sum is equal to 0 and I am taking one variable a. Then while condition temp is not equal to 0, temp value is 0. Suppose temp value is 153 not equal to 0, condition is true, otherwise temp value is 0 is not equal to 0, condition is false. Then a is equal to temp modulus 10. Temp value is 153 divided by 10 and remainder is 3 initialized to a variable. Then temp is equal to temp divided by 10. Temp value is 153 divided by 10, remainder is 3 assigned to the temp variable. Then sum is equal to sum plus a into a. Sum value is 0 plus a value is 3. 3 cube is 27. And in this way Next value is 5. Performing this operation. Next value is 1. Is 3 numbers cube. Addition is 153. Then if condition in that sum is equal to 0, how we can check sum is equal to sum is equal to number. How we can check sum is equal to number. Then I am print message number is Armstrong or not. %D number is Armstrong. Another message is printf. Another message I will print %D is not Armstrong number. Then return 0. Then close main function. Return 0 means the main function is of type integer and therefore it should return an integer value. The return value of the main function is considered the exit status. Now we will run this program. 153 is an Armstrong number. Suppose I am taking number 111. I will run this program. 111 is not a number. So this is about the program. Thank you.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.